things a little bit differently this Sunday reset. We're going to Ikea to get Aiden a new bunk bed for his room. He's getting one of those loft bunk beds. Is that what they're called? A loft bed. So he can have his desk underneath his bed. And we're going to go back, or we're getting McDonald's right now for lunch. Then we're gonna go home and deep clean the house. And stopped at Wendy's because Ava's got to poop. Ava, did you know I used to work at this Wendy's?
No!
I did!
Yes! Mom, we're at chicken.
Do you want to get some Frosties too?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Can't go to Wendy's without getting some Frosties. All right, bathroom. Shark attack! Bear attack! Bear attack! Silly brother and sister. Just what you needed, huh? Dad got chilies. What are you eating, Ava?
I don't know.
I know, it wasn't recording the first time. Could you tell me again? Cheese quesadilla. And french fries. And what's your drink? Chicken tenders, fries, ranch, and some blue juice. And Addie's having some star puppies. And she's wearing most of it. Some buffalo chicken, Nashville chicken and french fries. Yum. Did you get some mac and cheese too?
Yeah, it came with it.
Yum. Got the chicken bacon ranch quesadillas. Yum, 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 yum.